I am Dr. S. Prince Samuel, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Biomedical Engineering at SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Here, I am going to discuss about the fundamentals of wearable technology. What is meant by wearable technology? Wearable technology is a technology which is related to the human body. I mean, this wearable technology can save the life of a person. This is called as wearable technology. So here the most important point is nothing but the sensors. When we speak about the term sensor means it is capable of storing the information for further processing. So there are different kinds of sensors available in the market. But when we speak about the term wearable technology, we speak about the biomedical sensors. So, the term biomedical sensor means there are different kinds of sensors. One is nothing but the ECG, heart rate sensor, pulse oximetry, BP sensor, etc. Likewise, there are different sensors available which can be connected to a human body to monitor the basic parameters of a person. The basic parameters. So, the most important vital parameters which are to be monitored on daily basis are nothing but the blood pressure, sugar level, heart rate and the oxygen saturation level. So, when we speak about the term wearable technology, these kind of wearable sensors can be attached to a human body and the data can be stored for further processing. These kind of wearable devices comes in the form of smartwatch, or even smart jackets, smart shoes, etc. So these kind of devices are inbuilt inside the smartwatch and then it will be communicated to the microcontroller. Then generally the term microcontroller means it is used to process the information from the sensor and produce the output in the display module. So inside the microcontroller, there will be some analog to digital converters, digital to analog converters, memory unit, and if we need it, we can interface external memory along with the microcontroller. This microcontroller can operate several instructions, several kinds of data received from the sensors for further processing. The embedded C language is used to program the data which is received from the sensors. So the power supply is 5 volt which is given to the microcontroller, or even battery can be used to operate the microcontroller. Once the microcontroller performs its duty, the value can be seen in the display module. The term display module means it consists of LCD, OLED, graphic display, etc. So the user or the human body or the doctor can see the patient's parameters, basic parameters. If there is any variation seen in the parameter, it can be noted immediately and further steps can be taken, because for example when we speak about heart attack, the maximum treatment time should be within 1.5 hours. We can save the life of a person, or else it is very difficult. So how the data is transmitted is through means of Wi-Fi module. There are different Wi-Fi modules available in the market. For example, Bluetooth, GSM, LAN, WAN, etc. So depends upon the distance, how much distance the data is to be transmitted, the Wi-Fi modules or the communication devices can be chosen. The most important point in monitoring this kind of data is nothing but the accuracy, because these data, whatever we are taking, is related to a human body. So the data should be 100% perfect. For example, the normal heart rate of a person varies from 78 to 85 or 86 beats per minute. If it goes below 78, it becomes abnormal. If it goes more than 100, it is also abnormal. So these kind of sensors can attach to smartwatch, or we can wear smart jackets or smart shirts. to monitor the data. So when we speak about the term microcontroller, there are different kinds of microcontrollers available. We speak of ARM microcontroller, PIC microcontroller, even ARM Cortex or 805. So it depends upon how many sensors are being connected to the microcontroller. We have to choose the microcontroller. Depends upon the memory capacity, depends upon the processing speed. We have to choose the microcontroller. So, as a whole, we can say this kind of wearable technology, the awareness of wearable technology is to be said to all the people in the society, particularly the persons who are living in the rural areas. They don't have any knowledge, but if we give one simple awareness on it, they can easily buy these devices and their lives can be saved. Thank you.